Okay, so let's talk about similar triangle. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, ready? Ready or not ready?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So these two are exactly the same.
Yeah.
So when they are exactly the same, they are called. So let's say this is triangle A, this is triangle B. So triangle A is congruent to triangle B. So this sign is called congruent. Congruent. Congruent means exactly the same. You know what's the meaning of exactly the same? Exactly mean same. Exactly the same means this side is equal to this side, and then this side is equal to this side, and then this side is equal to this side. Okay? Okay? And then of course the angles are all the same also. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Then this angle is equal to this angle. Okay? By the way, you need to match lah. You know what's the meaning of match? Match means if you are talking about the angle, the corner angle on the left, so you better point to the corner angle on the left as well here. Understand or not? Understand or not? If you talk about the top angle here, then you also need to refer to the top angle over there. Understand? So this is congruent. Congruent means exactly the same. Okay? So now similarity. So can I ask you a question? Can you say, okay, I need to label first. Let's say this is A, B, C, then this is D, E, F. Can you say triangle ABC is congruent? But this is a congruent sign. That means like equal sign, but one more line. Okay? So this is D, E, F. Is it congruent? You look at this. Is it congruent? Is it exactly the same? Huh? You can't tell whether they are exactly the same? Huh? Is it congruent?
Yeah.
Wait. Congruent means what? This one is equal to this one. Are they equal?
No.
If they are not, then are they congruent? Are they congruent?
No.
So they are not congruent. Okay? Can or not? So for congruent means what? For congruent, the sides must be the same, and then the angles also must be the same. Okay? Then for this question, can you see? I don't have to use a ruler. I can see that this AB is not equal. This is called not equal to DE already. Am I right? So when they are not equal, so it's not congruent already. Right? Am I right or not? So therefore, AC is also not equal to DF. I don't need to use a ruler lah, right? And then this BC is also not equal to EF. Right? Okay? So all the sides, they are not equal in this case. Okay? Does it make sense? But what is the same? Anything the same here? I think so. This one. Angle A, I think is equal to angle D. Okay? And by the way, when I'm talking about angle A, you need to match with the same angle. Angle A is on top, right? You better match with the angle on top as well. So if I talk about angle B, which angle you need to talk about from here?
The E.
Yeah, angle E. So you want to talk about the angle C here, you also need to match with the angle F. So equal, if equal, so that means I call this angle, angle, angle. So if you have angle, 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 they are the same. So you can conclude, therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle. You call it ABC, right? Then you also need to match DEF. So do you know the difference between similar and congruent now? So for congruent, what are the requirements of congruent?
Same.
What same?
Exactly.
What exactly same?
The length.
The sides
Yeah.
and
The angle.
yes, the sides and the angle. Then for similarity, for similar,
The angle.
all the we are talking about triangle here. So therefore, the three corresponding triangles must be the same. Then it's similar already. Do you care about the side? No need. You need to care about the side or not?
No.
No need. So basically, in order to be similar, all the angles are the same can already. I mean all the respective angles are the same. Meaning what? Meaning this one match with this one need to be the same. Right? This one match with this one must be the same. And then this one match with this one must be the same. Once you get this, then it's similar. They are similar. Make sense? Make sense or not? Okay. Do you have any materials from this chapter?
No.
If not, never mind. I give you. So let me give you another question. Okay, this one. Okay, just look at it. Okay, just look at it. Do you think they are congruent? Like a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle AED. Are they congruent?
No.
Why not?
The length.
Yeah, so the length already not the same. So therefore you cannot say they are congruent. But let's see if ABC is similar to AED. Because when we talk about similar, right, we don't care about the length. What we care about? The angle. Okay, good. So in order to see whether the angles are the same, you need to kind of like reorientate this AED. Because if you don't reorientate, means turn it around. Because later you need to match, right or not? Correct or not? So you need to kind of like, so we are talking about the ABC, which is this one, to AED, which is the above one. But before we can tell whether the angles, the respective angles are same, we need to reorientate one of this, okay, so that we match correctly later. Because without reorientating this angle, triangle AED, is very hard to tell. So I reorientate it first. You know what do I mean by reorientate or not? This is called reorientate. Okay, good. So after reorientating, I hope you know that this is your A. Then where's your E? This is your E. Because the E just now, you remember just now, the E is here, right? So I just reorientate it. So now your E becomes here already, okay? Then your D leh? Your D comes to here, right? Right? Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I just capture this first. So they are not congruent. We don't need to talk about it. So we just need to see if they are similar. Okay, good. We need to ask ourselves whether they are similar or not. So I can erase this because I already get it into this picture already. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to get this back into the just now the, 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 the original figure. So what I'm trying to tell you is the question is the original figure. What you need to do is you try to get the original figure and reorientate one of them so that you can match. So I get it back. Move it away a little bit. This is your E, this is your D, right? Okay? So now, can you see that this angle is equal to this angle? Which means this angle A is equal to this angle A. Do you know why? Do you know why these two angles is the same? Can you tell that this angle is this angle? Because you reorientate. Can you tell that the red one here is the red one on top here? Because you reorientate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see the black? Okay, so okay, the black one of course is the black one here lah.
Yeah.
Can you see that the red is equal to the black? Why? What's this?
The
What's this rule? This is equal to this. What's the rule?
opposite equals.
Yes. So then what you do is angle A is equal to angle A. What's the reason? Opposite angle. So far so good?
Yeah.
Okay? Now, next. This one. D is equal to B. That means your this D equals to B. Is it equal? Yes. Because they are parallel. What's this? This is your Z, right?
Yeah.
So therefore you can prove that this angle D, which is here, is equal to angle B, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
So we use what? Angle D is equal to angle B. Z, right?
Yeah.
Z is alternate. Does it make sense? So therefore, this is also another Z. This one and this one. Can you see it's also another Z?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically you can prove angle E, I mean see here,
Yeah.
is also equal to angle C. So this is our alternate angle also. So can you see you have angle A, the same, angle A. So A, so therefore this statement is correct. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle AED. The reason is one angle is the same, another angle is the same, third angle is the same, so it's AAA. So to prove similarity, your job is to prove three pairs of angles are the same. Did I make myself clear? To prove similarity, you need to prove this is one pair, the same, which is given by this, right? Another pair, A and A here, right? Third pair here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you can prove three pairs of angles are the same, then that means the triangle they are similar. Okay. So far so good. That's the thing. To prove similarity triangle. Okay. So I will leave this for you to this I have given you a preview, right? A brief introduction. So when next week you go to your class and your teacher will start this topic, and then you have a easier understanding. Okay? So your teacher has not taught you yet, right?
No.
Okay, good. So never mind. You understand what is congruent and similarity, right? Congruent,
It's the sides.
sides also. Side must be the same. Similar.
The same.
What is the same?
The sides.
Sides must be the same.
The
Angles must be the same. That's for congruent.
yeah.
For similarity,
Is or 3 angles.
3 angles only. The sides,
No.
don't care. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So with this, I think you can go back